Alright, hi YouTube, this is the Presidential Tourist, and this is my Disney Character Warehouse haul from my visit a few days ago at the one in International Drive. Show you what I got. Got some cool stuff. Wasn't going to get nearly so much because I didn't really want to spend the money, but they had so many good deals there. And the thing is, they might have some one day and the next day they'll be gone and you won't be able to get it again. Or at least for that price. First thing I want to show you. And I did show, a lot of these things got shown on camera when I was doing a tour of it. I went on Wednesday, which is, let me make sure of the date. I gotta check my phone. So let's see, today's Friday, March 8th or so. I went on the 6th. First, I got this vest that I showed, which is so awesome looking. I don't know how well you're gonna see it because it's big. But it's for Star Wars. It's more cooler in person, but has this insignia on it. And of course it has some nice pockets. And in the back here, look at that. Look how cool that is. This is one awesome vest. Now it used to be $54.99. It was $24.99 for me. So awesome. I really like it. Probably a little bit too big. But that's okay, I don't mind a little loose. But it has the high collar, just like what? Didn't Han Solo have a high collar in the movies? I don't remember it at the moment, but let's put it down. How fancy that looks. I think it's so cool. Then, one thing at Disney, when you buy some glass stuff, they always wrap it in this fancy wrap, which is this. And it has the white part that goes in the middle. Really keeps the stuff quite safe. I'll show that. Got a couple things for my mom as well. Here's these. I know she wanted this. Of course. Lights up. I think that's the only... Yeah, only one mode. That looks pretty cool. Put that right there. And I know she would like this. Oh, how much was these? I showed it on camera, but I think these were only $3 or $4. Well, the sale price for being there. I don't know what they were regularly, but they were probably 20 at least. Here's this cutting board. Got for her too. The regular was $9.99. It was $4.99. Pretty cool. What's interesting at Disney Character Warehouse, not just you could find good deals, but you could find stuff from Disneyland, Shanghai Disney, the Disney Cruise Line. You can find stuff from all different parts of the different empire Disney. I got this shirt for her. It was regularly $25. It was $9.99 there. And then cool design in the back. Issue like that. Got a couple of these mugs. They used to be $14.95. Then they were lowered to $6.99. And then they were lowered again to, I think, $1.99. So that's what I paid for, $1.99. Here's a shirt I got for me. It was $25 regularly, and I paid $9.99. It's for the Haunted Mansion. Pretty cool. Oh, now this mug I showed you, the zebra design. Then there's a snake design, same price, $1.99. I got two of these. I won't show both, but just that's exact same cup. Then, second, they had these sticker books. These were originally $6.99. They were 49 cents. They're for the Ratatouille from 2018. And then Disney Character Warehouse was selling those disposable bags. This was the medium size, and this was $2. I bought a large version of this bag at Epcot. It was like $2.50, I think, maybe for that bag, or $3. Then they have a small one, which is like $1, I think, $1.50. Oops. Alright, that's the other snake cup. You don't need to see that because I showed you the one. Here's a couple of shot glasses. They are regularly $9.99 for Disney, and they're on sale for $2.99. They're really nice too. I've collected shot glasses a little bit. I haven't gone too much into it just for space-wise. Once in a while I'll pick some up. Then, come out. I think this is another Star Wars cup. Now this one I think was a little bit more expensive. This was like $5-6. This was regularly $16, but I had to get it because it was so cool looking. Look at that. Look at the designs. I like the shape. Probably won't even use this. This is for the Solo movie. So that is awesome. I like the color too. Now the one International Drive, I don't mind it, but it is smaller than the one that's on Vineland. Just to let you guys know if you want to go. Vinyl one's bigger, has more. Like, they hardly had really any men's clothes, hardly. Mostly women. And a little bit they had for men's was either like this vest or a sweatshirt. Very few t-shirts and very few my size. So, they definitely had a lot more women's clothing. This was like one of the first scenes I noticed when I went in. I had to get this. This is so cool. Look at these guys. Isn't that awesome? And you clip a photo here. So I'm going to clip one of the Star Wars photos from Disney up there. This was regularly $16.99 and I got it for $7.99. Look how awesome that thing looks. Isn't that cool? And that is it. Everything totaled up to $87.72. So, if I would bought this at the Disney parks when it was all full price, probably looking for easily over $200 or more, I bet. Would have been a lot, yeah, easily, because this thing was regularly $55 by itself. And it does feel pretty snuggy, so. Okay, that is it. That is my Disney Character Warehouse haul from the International Drive location. I went on March 6, 2019, and I'm hoping to go back again. It might be a couple weeks. I'm going to check out the Vineland one. This takes me a while to get up there because it's a bit farther from my house than I would like. So it's a bit of a drive, and traffic going there was not the best, and going back home was a lot worse. Okay, if you have any comments, questions, please let me know. Thank you ever for watching. Have a nice day. Bye, everybody. Bye.